Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use TrueBend in SketchUp. Alright, first up you're going to want to download it. Just go to Extension Warehouse and look for TrueBend. Alright, hit enter. As you can see here, TrueBend is available for free and it was published by Thom. Let's go ahead and hit on free, hit on install, scroll down and hit on accept. Alright, you want to install this extension, just hit on yes. As it says here, the extension has been successfully installed and now available for use. Hit OK. Close this one. As you can see here, we have the TrueBend tool available. What we're going to do to use this one is just basically, for example, I was going to create shape right here, rectangle in this particular area. Maybe push this one. All right. Now select. Multiple clicks on the object, right click and make it as a component or a group. All right, now use TrueBend right here. You can basically use these lines right here, whatever you want. All right, for example, right there. Okay, hit enter. And when we look at it, as you can see, again, click on it. All right, and then you can just go ahead and use these points right here again and again to make another one. Hit enter. All right, that's basically how you use it. Again, download this one from the Extension Warehouse, then click TrueBend. Let's use this center point right here. As you can see, it is now on 360 degrees, which will make us a round object. All right, hit enter. As you can see here, let's move around. All right, and that's how we use the TrueBend for SketchUp. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.